Welcome to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by FANCIVIVI hair. They did send me this braided wig and I'll be installing it with y'all. This is one of their new design wigs. It does have curls in it. Y'all, when I say this wig is definitely a 10 out of 10, it's definitely a 10 out of 10. So let's get right into this look, y'all. It definitely is beginner friendly. I hope y'all enjoy. So y'all, the wig did come inside of a bag packaged real nicely. I will be showing y'all what they did put inside the wig. It did come with a few cards just about money off, about how to take care of the wig, literally everything that you need to know. They also have other styles of braiding wigs on their site, y'all, so definitely go and check them out. They did send me a wig cap. Inside the wig cap, it came with a pair of eyelashes, and it also came with some hair clips for the braids, which I thought was so cute. Also, I did use a wig cap for this look, y'all. I did use a wig cap. It also came with a lace melt band. I will be using that in this video as well. It also came with a bonnet. Now, honestly, the braids are full, very full, so I probably wouldn't use this bonnet for this style. But this is what the wig looks like, y'all. I did not bleach it or anything, pluck it. I literally just cut the lace and put the baby hairs down. As y'all will see in the video, as I mentioned, this look is very, very beginner friendly, y'all. Very beginner friendly. One thing that I did not like about it, though, was that it was too big for the back of my head. But overall, I did finesse it. But I would say probably get a size small if you want more of a snug fit, like, you know, an actual braided type look or something for vacation. But overall, y'all, I definitely like it. It's definitely a 10 out of 10 for me. The length was there, the baby hairs was there, literally everything. So let's get right into this video. I hope y'all enjoy.
Working on the weekend like usual, way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit the block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's the number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the glass, man, a cheapskate hump. Niggas gotta move on my release day, Bitch, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about. Watch your mouth. Baby got an ego twice the size of the crib. I can never tell a shit, it is what it is. Said what I had to and did what I did. Never turn my back on every G, God forbid. Virgil got the paddock on my wrist, doing front flips. Giving you my number, but don't hit me on no dumb shit. Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit the block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. I want you around. had time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you, you. Not trying not to show how I feel about you. You wish away. We do what we want, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you, you. I don't wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you, feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you, feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing.
So guys, this is the completed look. As I mentioned, this wig is definitely a 10 out of 10 for me. Everything about FANCIVIVI will be in the description box. This is a full lace wig, braided wig, so you can style it any way that you want, y'all. You can put it in a ponytail, half up and down. Literally, it's up to you. I will be doing a little quick style for y'all to see, but overall, I did wear this wig to the side, a quick side part. I definitely will be styling it more. When I say this wig is a 10 out of 10, sis, it's definitely a 10 out of 10. Not only that, it's braids. Like, you cannot go wrong with this at all. You can use my discount code to get money off your purchase if you're interested in shopping with them. Let them know that I did send you. Definitely use that discount code, sis. And as I mentioned, it's a 10 out of 10 for me, y'all. I think I might just keep this wig for fall. As y'all know, I do go and sell my wigs when I'm done, but I definitely like this, so I'm thinking about keeping it. I will be turning around and showing y'all the back. As I mentioned, the back was a little bit too big for my head, but overall I definitely loved it, definitely finessed it. Definitely go check out FANCIVIVI. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. We at 54K, we're in the road to 100K. And until next time, I will see y'all in my next video.
In my body.